Hey y'all, I'm Michael Yuck, and it's freaking hot out here. But I tried to finish up the um, ammo left outside for who knows how long uh, series last week, but corrupted file, blah blah blah. Y'all don't care, so we're doing it again, trying it again, and it's kind of. I mean, it is a new gun day actually. I got a Glock 26. Picked that up from a local flea market. And it's kind of like a double new gun day because I think I've got my 22 long rifle running properly now. So we're gonna do what, 22 mag. I mean, that's kind of, you can see the water. Wait, no you can't. You can see the water still in there. It's, you know, it's in there. Got 22 mag, some 9 mil, some 30-30. I shot all the 38 I had, or the 380 I had last week. I do have some 38 that's literally still sitting in water, and some 45 that is, well, it's here. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. Let's see if we can get y'all lined up enough. Looks all right. So I've got good ammo in here right now. We're gonna shoot it, make sure it's actually working properly. Okay, I've got no ammo in here right now, so we're not gonna shoot it and make sure it's working properly. But we will load it. Go ahead and load it with this 22 ammo. I opened the box and it's got ants, y'all. It's freaking got ants. Look at this. Look, it's got ants. Y'all see them? Y'all see all them little ants? So this stuff's been out here for a while. I'm gonna try and get some of the dirt and stuff off of it and roll it around in my shirt a little bit. Maybe that'll help better than what I was doing last time, just like trying to shove it in the gun, paper and all. So yeah. So I might be, you know, making a mistake by loading it up all the way. I mean, not really, because it's real easy to empty the sucker out too. But if I get any squibs, then it's going to be, you know, just one extra step. So, okay, maybe I didn't. Maybe I did. I don't know. We'll find out. We're about to find out. This thing will hold like 17 rounds, I think. And, oh man. So I'm tired of seeing all these vapes laying in the ground, laying in the streets. Pick up your trash, y'all. There's a trash can probably within 50 yards. If not, put it in your car, throw it away when you get home. Come on, people. Quit being bad. Quit being shitheads. So that's my first target, is a little vape that I found. Well, that one did not go off. Let's try it again. That one did not go off either. Shit, I might have a whole box of bad ammo. Wouldn't that be fun? Yeah, it's looking like this might be a bust. Yep, pretty sure all that ammo's bad. And my gun's not quite ready for its TV appearance yet. So 22's busted after 2 months. 2 months of 22 being out in the weather. It is no longer any good. I'm gonna pick up all these rounds before I forget them. Cause I'm not sure if y'all saw last time, but I spent, I don't know, like 30 minutes picking up brass. And most of it was stuff that I shot from a previous time. So if I got it all in one spot, it's a little easier to pick up, especially these live rounds, man. Look at that. 22 mag, haven't even shot that yet. So, 22 is busted. Get some of the sweat out of my glaggles. Gotta love the South, y'all. Gotta love it. Alright, now, let's see what we got here. Got some good 22 mag ammo. We'll put that in here. It's a little, what was this? Fucking, oh, it's a Rossi something or other. I like it, it's my little doo-doo gun. Alright, let's, oh man. Seriously? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's try this again. After I load it. Put it on fire. Alright, so 22 ammo, like I said, it's good 22 ammo. We're gonna put this back out here, try it again. Alright, so good 22 ammo, like I said. Got it that time. So, good 22 ammo. 22 mag ammo, sorry. Let's load up this wet stuff. It looks all nice and shiny because it hasn't been exposed to the air, but it's had water in it just about the entire time. And I mean, shoot, we're at like 10 weeks, 10, 11 weeks. Oh man, that suntan lotion smelled good. Tired of shooting stuff that doesn't smell good. Not doing it anymore. So, got 10 rounds of ammo. Been sitting on the table for like 10, 12 weeks, something like that. Let's see if it hits anything. Oh, that one worked. And we're empty. So, I guess I got one more thing to try. I hear something interesting over here. I'm gonna okay, I see what's going on. We gotta do something else real quick, because I see a whole thing of great stuff sitting there. Must have got some spray. What's going on here? How am I missing? Am I missing? You would think that thing would have just gone like kaboom. And this is ammo that was in here from last time. That was, what, a week ago at least? Bad ammo sitting off the table. We'll do another 7 rounds though. There it goes. Like, what was going on there? This thing must be off a little bit. I don't know how it got off, because I shoot this thing, I get deers in the eyeball with this thing. Where'd that go? Let's try it. Alright, let that cool down a little bit. I'll do like 5 more rounds from the 22 mag, and then move on to the next one, right? Hopefully y'all are having a good day. I got a question for you though, and you ain't got to answer it. In fact, I don't really expect you to answer it. I'm just talking to myself in the woods pretty much. So, if you take your vehicle somewhere